On today's episode, we're going to be discussing homonyms, homophones, homographs, and heteronyms. What exactly are homonyms, homophones, homographs, and heteronyms? For the longest period of time, we kept it simple here in the English Language Arts Department. We had one word, homonyms, that defined homophones, homographs, and heteronyms. Now, today's the day we're going to set the record straight. Follow me. One of the greatest blessings to the English language was the word homonym in 1697. Just kidding. It has a Greek and Latin word origin. It's a troublesome word. It's too broad. It describes three categories of word groups, and the word homonym is a noun. Let's take a special look at the word homonym. The prefix of homonym is homo, and it means the same. The suffix is onym, which means word or name. It's used as a means of classifying or categorizing. The homonym, the mother of homographs, homophones, and heteronyms. What is a homophone? Let's take a look at the prefix and suffix to try to figure it out. The prefix of the word homophone is homo, which means the same. The suffix is phone, which means sound or related to the ear. Homophone, words that sound the same but have different meanings. Homophones are each of two or more words that have the same pronunciation. They sound the same. They are words that have different origins. They are words that have different meanings. And they are words that usually have different spellings as well. Two examples of this are rose and rose. Rose 1, such as this sentence, I gave my friend a rose, the flower, and in the other rose, I rose to salute the soldier. Homophones sound the same, but they have different meanings. Take a look at these examples. The first word is sent. I sent my mom flowers. That sent is a verb. The next example is scent, a noun. The skunk had an obnoxious scent. And then the last scent is a noun as well. A penny's worth 1 cent. Homophones can be very confusing. Take a look at the words in blue at the very top, to and to. The first to on top is a preposition that shows direction, where you're going, to the store. The bottom two is the number 2, the cardinal number of 2. What are homographs? Homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different origins and meanings. For example, con. Let's look at the top con. This con means to swindle or cheat. He did not have to con me by lying. The bottom con means against. A con for summer school is denying students a trip to the beach. Let's look at the word homograph. Take a look at the prefix homo, which means the same. Now look at the suffix graph, which means word or name. It's used as a means of classifying or categorizing. Homograph, words that are spelled the same, sound the same, but have different meanings. What are heteronyms? Heteronyms are words that are spelled identically, but have different sounds and meanings. For example, bow and bow. To bow is to bend in greeting to show respect, and a bow is a weapon for shooting arrows. Heteronyms are also words that refer to an identical thing in a geographic area. For example, have you ever heard of a hoagie? What about a sub? What about a grinder? Well, they're all three the same thing. They're nothing more than a sandwich. Let's investigate the word heteronym. The prefix hetero means other or different. Onym means word or name. It's used as a means of classification or categorizing. A heteronym are words that are spelled identically but have different sounds and meanings. Now let's summarize everything that we've learned. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings. Heteronyms are words that are spelled the same but have different sounds and meanings. Homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different origins as well as different meanings. All of these have in common one thing. They're all homonyms. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to connect with us. Check us out on Teachers Pay Teachers. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and check out our Pinterest page. Hop on over to our YouTube channel where you can check out many exciting videos like the one that you've just seen. And check out our blog at www.bowtieguyandwife.com.